Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be doing a super simple baked dinner for you guys and your family to enjoy. So what we're going to be doing today is a simple vegetable au gratin. Au gratin basically refers to the cooking process where you have a layer of cheese on top which is grilled and has a crusty kind of a thing on top, and basic on the bottom side we're going to have a simple white sauce mixed with assorted vegetables. Very seasonal, very fresh, very colorful. Takes about 20 minutes to make a perfect dinner for you guys and your family to enjoy. So let's check it out.